What's up, winners? This channel we learned see-through manipulation happening. Meghan, I'm pretty sure that I came on to film the video. I prepared, and she was up to her creepy dog post, which I covered yesterday. Which, by the way, real quick thought I have on that I didn't mention. I post Leo all the time. That's like all I post. But I don't know, like, it's all of him. I met a nice dog friend of Leo's. We're going to hang out soon. Play date for the dog. And they just have pictures of their dog. Maybe I'll try and take pictures of him with me. But my point is, when you really like the dog, you're kind of taking pictures of them. Hers are always the pet relating to her, right? It's like, look how the dog likes me. You can't really see how cute the dog is or what the dog's doing. So, I think it's a little bit different. And then she has her 5 other posts. This is her dear friend Daniel, that looks like to me in there, who wasn't invited to her wedding. He just kind of got pulled out for the special here. I don't know. I was just... Oh, gosh. All right, guys. Good luck getting through this. All right, I'm going to turn the horrible, probably copyright music off. How could you post this? How is she not embarrassed? I've said that before about Meghan. I guess it's her giant ego. But this one I really feel like I have to ask. And I still get over the liked by Brunel and others. Like, her post is liked by 2 people and she hides the likes. I don't even know what to say, guys. You guys comment about this. I have nothing. It's just creepy. It's weird. Meghan's weird. She looks very delighted with herself. I don't know why we're looking at her little arts and crafts project. Oh, it's to impress us, how she designs everything herself, like the packages, the papers, and then just a bunch of food. I don't even... Yeah, okay, we already have this one. And Meghan, again, I never understand how she can grab the plants and they don't just wilt around her. Our shelves may be empty, but oh, what an ego jerk. We sold out in less than 1 hour, and I can't thank you enough. That is the grossest thing, I think, in a while, Meghan said. I can't say it's the grossest thing she's ever said, because it's Meghan. This, to me, that our shelves may be empty, but my heart is full. That's like the most tone-deaf thing ever. She's... Like, that's like, oh, we're poor, we have nothing, but our hearts are full. Ah, we sold out my business! That is so gross to misuse it like that. Am I wrong here? This is shocking to me that she could say something like that. Like, that to me is just saying, like, oh, we may not have much, but our hearts full. We sold out! Like, how tone deaf. Just crazy. And then just a quick... again, her mother's popping up a lot now. I said in the last video, her mother seems sleazy to me. She just seems like untrustworthy, which I think she is. She left Meghan to be raised by her father. She, like, lived off of Meghan's father for a little bit, then left the kid with her and ran off. And then she swoops back in, and Meghan's talking about how they spent every day at her grandma's house. All the photos and videos are with her father. He paid for private school. She just threw him out and decided she wanted a new story. Yeah, I don't know. Just, she seems like a hanger-on type of person to me, like came out of the woodwork. And for some reason, Meghan's decided that she's good for her story. I think maybe because she's willing to lie and say Meghan grew up poor and all this. All right, guys.